Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Working on my grandma's pontoon boat today, and for a long time the battery was dying when we let it sit overnight. We finally figured out what was drawing the electrical power from the battery. Let's go check it out. On the boat now, back to the battery compartment, and we have replaced every single one of those connection points and everything is new. So it's not that the battery's not resting in water, because believe it or not, if the battery's resting in water in that battery box, it can create an acidic draw and that'll drain your battery. However, if you have a CD player, after a day out on the lake, your key out, and you get this little power button, you will notice that the blue lights just came on and it is coming on and off. So powering the system down by pushing and holding that power button, it is doing absolutely nothing. As you can see, that CD player is still powered. So what we're going to do is remove this CD cover altogether, and that should solve our battery draining overnight, because literally this will cause it. Back up out of the seat, and we are going to store this inside overnight. And back to the battery compartment. In the event that your CD player is not drawing electrical power from your system, we will post links down below in the comment section as well as the description section on the most common causes that drain your battery overnight. Hopefully this video or those videos will help. Do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and we may see you at the next videos.